Hi friends, welcome to our channel AGN Videos. Traditions in Hinduism were considered mainly as superstitions, but with the advent of science, it is becoming evident that these traditions are based on some scientific knowledge and moved from generations to generations as traditions. Though the common people did not know science in it, they are following it very faithfully over the years. So, in this video, I am going to reveal some of the scientific reasons behind Hindu traditions. Joining both palms together to greet. In Hindu culture, people greet each other by joining their palms, termed as Namaskar. The general reason behind this tradition is that greeting by joining both the palms means respect. However, scientifically speaking, joining both hands ensures joining the tips of all the fingers together, which are denoted to the pressure points of eyes, ears, and mind. Pressing them together is said to activate the pressure points, which helps us remember that person for a long time. And no germs since we don't make any physical contact. Why do temples have bells? These bells are made in such a way that when they produce a sound, it creates a unity in the left and right parts of our brains. The moment we ring the bell, it produces a sharp and enduring sound which lasts for minimum of 7 seconds in echo mode. The duration of the echo is good enough to activate all the 7 healing centers in our body. This results in emptying our brain from all the negative thoughts. Start with spice, end with sweet. Our ancestors have stressed on the fact that our meals should be started off with something spicy and sweet dishes should be taken towards the end. The significance of this eating practice is that while spicy things activate the digestive juices and acids and ensure that the digestion process goes on smoothly and efficiently, sweets or carbohydrates pulls down the digestive process. Hence, sweets were always recommended to be taken as a last item. Sitting on a floor and eating. This tradition is not just about sitting on a floor and eating. It is regarding sitting in the Sukhasana position and then eating. Sukhasana is the position we normally use for yoga asanas. Sitting in the position while eating helps in improving digestion as the circulatory system can focus solely upon digestion and not on our legs dangling from a chair or supporting us while we are standing. Why not to sleep with your head towards north? Myth is that it invites ghosts or death, but science says that it is because human body has its own magnetic field, also known as heart's magnetic field, because the flow of blood. And Earth is a giant magnet. When we sleep with head towards north, our body's magnet field become completely asymmetrical to the Earth's magnet field. That cause problems related to blood pressure, and our heart needs to work harder in order to overcome this asymmetry of magnetic fields. Why no meat on particular days? Hindus do not eat meat on particular days, not limited, but including Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. The reason is that as human being we need only a little amount of meat to fulfill the requirements of our body such as iron, vitamin B12 and other vital nutrients. But we often get addicted to eating meat which is not good for our health. It can cause disease like piles, kidney stones, colon cancer, etc. Therefore, Hinduism has placed some restrictions by assigning days to particular deities. The scientific explanation of touching feet, Charan Sparsh. The nerves that start from our brain spread across all your body. These nerves or wires end in the fingertips of your hand and feet. When you join the fingertips of your hand to those of their opposite feet, a circuit is immediately formed and the energies of two bodies are connected. Your fingers and palms become the receptor of the energy and the feet of other person becomes the giver of energy. Why do we fast? The underlying principle of behind fasting is to be found in Ayurveda. This ancient Indian medical system sees the basic cause of many diseases as the accumulation of toxic materials in the digestive system. Regular cleaning of toxic materials keeps one healthy. By fasting, the digestive organs get rest and all the body mechanisms are cleansed and corrected. A complete fast is good for health, and the occasional intake of warm lemon juice during the period of fasting prevents the flatulence. Why idol worship? Hinduism propagates idol worship more than any other religion. Researchers say that this was initiated for the purpose of increasing concentration during prayers. According to psychiatrists, a man will shape his thoughts as per what he sees. If you have three different objects in front of you, your thinking will change according to the object you are viewing. Similarly, in ancient India, idol worship was established so that when people views idols, it is easy for them to concentrate to gain spiritual energy and meditate without mental diversion. Applying tilak on forehead. On the forehead, between the two eyebrows, is a spot that is considered as a major nerve point in human body since ancient times. The tilak is believed to prevent the loss of energy. The red kumkum between the eyebrows is said to retain energy in the human body and control the various levels of concentration. While applying kumkum, the points on the mid-brow region and Ajna Chakra are automatically pressed. This also facilitates the blood supply to face muscles. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it.